Holy smokes, I definitely need to caulk this window because I can literally feel the cold air coming in. So that's probably not good. Some of my hometown besties are coming into town. I'm so excited. My friend Caroline, she's actually flying in tonight. I am just really excited to see them. I know Bryant has never even been to Nashville, and then nobody's been to our house before. So I'm really excited to, one, show them Nashville, Murfreesboro, and then just host them at our house. But before they come, I need to clean because I've just been go, go, go with work events, with friends. So yes, lots of tasks to be done. Right now I have the dishwasher going and the laundry going, so that's why I'm in the bathroom because there's so much noise. I'm sure you can still hear it in here though. But yeah, I'm so excited. I get to host like all my friends and Jake's friends. I'm so thrilled. I'm on cloud 9. Okay, I wanted to be honest with you guys and just give you a full what is it called? I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to give you a whole view of our kitchen. It's atrocious. Let me just show you a before and then I'll show you an after. Okay, in my defense, this is my Alani Nu that I'm drinking this morning, so I'm just going to leave it to the side. But yes, we have the kitchen counter looking like this. Just not a cute vibe. And then that's the laundry cart. I'm doing some laundry right now, which the laundry room even looks gross. And then yeah, this little guy over here is messy. This was the coffee that I made this morning that I'm gonna put in the fridge. And then panning over to this. This is not bad. I mean, it literally just needs to put my little air fryer pans and just, yeah. I guess it looks bad, but it'll be like an easy 10-minute, if that, fix. This side clean already. I'm gonna wait and do the dishes probably just later this evening. That way I can just do them all at once. But I'm gonna finish up these two sides and then I gotta go on my walk. Booyah, baby. Alright, I got my 3 miles in and now the dishwasher is ready and the washer and the dryer are all ready, so let's get started.
When you're not here, the sun don't shine. When you're not near, I don't feel like I do when you're with me. It felt like suddenly.
Alright, I got the dishes done and the clothes that were in the washer are in the dryer, and all the clothes that were in the dryer are right here. I'm going to probably turn on like a YouTube, or I don't know, I think maybe the Kardashians came on. I think the new episode is out, so I may try to watch it while I fold laundry. And then of course I'm gonna clean our bedroom. Yeah, please excuse this mess. That is next on my list. But I'm gonna fold some laundry while I watch some YouTube or the Kardashians, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Everything is folded and hung up. I even folded the socks. I normally leave that for Jake to do, but I'm like, you know what? I'm trying to get everything ready and done. I'm just feeling productive. But yes, I'm gonna put everything up and then get some lunch, like make some lunch in here and finish the rest of this episode because it's really good. All right, this is the spread. We got cucumbers, corn, Flamin' Hot Cheetos, 5 tater tots because that's all I had left, and some Dino Nuggets and ranch, a little mini Sprite, and a Capri Sun. I always say if you want to, you know, heal your inner child or you just want to feel like a kid again, just come to our house. Literally Dino Nuggets, corn, Capri Sun. We have apple juices. We have literally anything you can think of that you had as a kid. We have it. Fruit roll up, fruit by the foot, Gushers. We literally have so many kiddie stuff, but yes, we love it and we're happy that way, and yeah, cheers. So good. Also, I said I was gonna put all this up before I ate, but I was so hungry, so I'm gonna put this up after I eat. Okay, I did a little bit of makeup and put my hair in a bun just because, I don't know, I feel like I'm more productive when I have makeup on. I feel like that's just a girl thing, but anyways, I put all the clothes up. I did multiple loads of laundry, finished the Kardashians, and then I've been listening to a podcast that Tino was on. If you watched Bachelorette last season, he's like talking for the first time about everything, so that's been super interesting. Let me know if this is just like a me thing or if y'all struggle with this too, but I feel like I can keep everything in the house super clean, but when it comes to our bathroom, I just have the hardest trouble like on our counter space, like especially traveling and stuff. We just have the hardest time keeping it clean. Like my makeup is always, I don't know if you can't see it, but my makeup is always, almost always out and about, and then Jake always leaves, well almost always, always leaves like his contact solution and stuff out, and so I mean we're both, you know, in fault. It's just, I don't know, sometimes it's just hard to keep clean. Also, since I just put the hats up, it made me think, do you guys have like an organization like system for hats? If you watch my previous video about me thrifting, you will know that I am obsessed with hats, and so is Jake, and we literally have so many ball caps, it's like not even funny. But with that, it's like, I don't know how to store them, especially, like I can store mine in a little basket underneath like my clothes, but Jake, I don't know, he doesn't have like the best spot for storage, and then, I don't know, it's just hard. So if you have any tips on how to organize your hats, let me know. I feel like we've tried everything and I just don't know what to do. Also, y'all need to let me know if you like these types of videos, like the cleaning videos. I know I like to watch them, but I just don't know if y'all do. It honestly helps me out so much when I film these. I've filmed multiple in the past, but I've just never uploaded them because I just had really bad anxiety like with posting. But now I'm doing so much better, and I've been posting every week. So anyways, I really like filming like these cleaning vlogs because one, it's super productive, and two, I know I like watching them because they're really aesthetic. Just let me know what you guys think because it really motivates me and helps me be more productive, because sometimes when I'm cleaning, I'm like, I don't know, I just like push it off. But if I know like I'm filming this, it's like, oh, I need to get like this done. If you guys like these types of videos, I'll definitely keep doing them. So yeah, that was super quick and easy talking through that. I got pretty much everything cleaned up. I just gotta get my makeup back in the box and zip it up. And the bathroom is pretty much clean. I just got to, you know, like deep clean it. Downstairs is all vacuumed, and then I got all of the rooms upstairs vacuumed besides the game room, or I don't know, Jake's little man cave. That is the only thing about my vacuum. I love it so much, but for like the house of our size, it's like the charge is just like not there. But I'm obsessed with it. Like if you have an apartment, I highly recommend it. It's so good with pet hair, with dust. Like it literally gets in there and gets, oh, I just absolutely love the vacuum. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I will try to link it in the description down below, or you can find it on my Amazon storefront. But yes, now pretty much all I have to do is just straighten up the living room. I mean, it looks pretty good. It's just, you know, like blankets and stuff not folded. But other than that, like, that's pretty much it. It is now Monday and everyone has sadly left. I was so sad yesterday having to drop, you know, Caroline off at the airport, and then when Bryce and Bryant, when they left, it was, I don't know, I was just really sad. I don't like when company leaves. But since I didn't vlog this weekend, I thought I would end this vlog with cleaning up the after mess. And there really isn't that much of a mess to clean up. I feel like we did a really good job of just like cleaning up as we go, but there is still some stuff that we need to clean up. So before I get into that, I need to make coffee. Okay, while my coffee is like cooling off a little bit, because I don't like to drink it when it's scorching hot, I feel like I always burn the roof of my mouth, I'm going to go ahead and empty the dishwasher because, like I said, I feel like we did a really good job of keeping up and just picking up as we go. And so last night when I was about to head for bed, I just put a dishwasher pot in, started it, and now it's ready to be emptied. Alright, the dishes are put up, I've drank some of my coffee, and now it is time to do some laundry. I have already washed and dried the towels. I just now have to fold them and put them away. Alright, the towels are in my room, and now I'm going to wash everybody's sheets. Ooh, I should probably go get ours too, so 1 second. And I'm folding towels, I thought I would do a little recap of our weekend since I didn't vlog. So basically on Friday I picked up, no, Thursday night I picked up Caroline around like, it was like 9ish, and then on Friday Caroline like worked from home and we just waited on the boys to get here because they drove from Kentucky. They actually got like lost for a hot second, so we had a later start to what we planned, which we didn't really have anything planned, to be honest. But anyways, once they got here, we basically immediately got ready because Bryant had never been to Nashville before and he really wanted to go to Broadway. We had so much fun. It was like really chill actually. I feel like I hadn't been on Broadway really since before COVID. I don't know, like 2019. Like obviously I've been there throughout the day, but like whenever it's crazy I just try to avoid it, but it really wasn't like bad at all. And yeah, we just went to different places around Broadway and showed Bryant like around, and it was just a good time. Again, it wasn't like really busy or anything, like it was like pretty chill, so that was good. And then on Saturday was the UK Tennessee game, which sadly Kentucky lost. But yeah, we just chilled at the house literally all day. I guess we didn't do much, but we just like, I don't know, we enjoyed each other's company. Yeah, we ordered pizza, we watched the game. Oh, we ended up watching the Jake Paul and I don't know who the other dude, I mean I know his name in my head but I can't pronounce it. But we watched that fight. I ended up falling asleep while it was on. But yeah, it was just so good. I haven't had my hometown friends here yet, so that was so much fun. We were already trying to like plan like something for everybody to come back, and the Titans are playing the Bengals, but it's the weekend of Thanksgiving, so I don't know. I just don't think that's gonna work because I know I'm probably gonna be back in Kentucky, and then everybody else, I don't know, everybody's just gonna be doing like Thanksgiving things. But yes, that's a little bit of a recap. I'm gonna finish the rest of these towels and I will see you guys in a minute. Okay, the towels are folded and put away, and now I think I'm gonna clean up our bathroom. I'm honestly embarrassed to show you guys this because, I don't know, it's just really messy. Okay, I'm just gonna show you guys. This is our current situation. I literally cleaned this, what, Thursday? Now it looks like this. There's even some stuff on the floor. We were just lazy, I guess. And then also it's like, when there's people over, it's like, you don't have the priority to like pick everything up. And I feel like we did a good job of picking stuff up like in the kitchen, the living room, but then when it came to our bathroom, yeah, we didn't do such a good job. So I'm going to clean this up while the sheets are in the washer. Sparkly clean. Let's go. Whew. All right, besides the sheets, everything is now picked up, cleaned up, looking fresh, and I am just so happy that everything's clean. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, a little cleaning vlog, if you will. I know I like to watch them on YouTube because they kind of motivate me to clean. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.